everyone, welcome to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of herbs. Have you ever wanted just a burst of flavor to your meals or to boost your health with some fresh ingredients? Well, you're in the right place. Here's the secret. Growing your own herbs is easier than you think, and I'm going to show you how. Let's explore the secret to thriving herbs, whether you're growing them indoors or outside. First off, why should you grow your own herbs? Well, fresh herbs can just transform your cooking. Imagine adding a fresh sprinkle of basil to your dish or some cilantro to your tacos. I love making a fresh cilantro lime dressing. It is amazing. Or even just squeezing some fresh lime and cilantro over any Mexican dish. It just bursts that flavor and makes me feel and my food tastes like I'm a gourmet chef. But they also come packed with health benefits. Plus, growing herbs is super easy and rewarding. Let's talk about 6 of the easiest herbs you can grow. Number 1, basil. Basil is a must-have. It thrives in warm weather and it loves sunlight. Just plant it in a pot that has good drainage and water it regularly. You can just snip off the leaves as needed and it'll just keep growing back. So if you have a pot indoors and you keep it in a sunny window, you can just keep it all year round. Or like me, I also grow it in my herb garden and I just snip it off out there as well. The health benefits of basil, it's rich in antioxidants. It also has some anti-inflammatory properties. It's also great for digestion. Number 2, mint. This herb is super hardy and it actually grows like a weed. My son, in my last garden video that I put up, he actually dug up almost all of my mint because it takes over. So I'm just going to grow some in a container over in my herb garden. So if you grow mint in a pot, you won't have it spread all over your entire yard. If you love mint and you have an open field, throw it out there and you'll have mint everywhere. Mint grows in just a variety of conditions. And like I said, just be careful because it does spread super quickly. I mean, it would have ended up in my neighbor's yard if I would have just let it keep going. The health benefits of mint, it's fantastic for soothing digestion, stomach issues, nausea, and it also helps freshen your breath. I love fresh mint in just water. You can make your own fresh mint tea. A little windy, you can hear. Number 3, parsley. Parsley is such a versatile herb. This grows easily indoors and outdoors as well. Just make sure it does get some sunlight and you want to keep the soil moist. The health benefits of parsley are that it's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K. It's great for detoxing your body and it also helps freshen your breath. 4th, we have oregano. This herb is perfect for adding a Mediterranean flair to your dishes. It's also great in Italian food and it thrives in sunny spots and also well-draining soil. Just pinch off the leaves as they grow and you will have a fresh supply all of the time. In the summer, in the herb garden, I have herbs all the time because I like to grow large quantities of them, especially oregano, because oregano I can, and that's another thing is I freeze dry my herbs, so I have them all year round, so I can grow large quantity of them, so they do taste fresh all the time for me. But if you don't have that luxury, or some people dehydrate them as well, but oregano is great because I like to make my oregano oil, which is a natural antibiotic. So there's so many health benefits of oregano. That is also packed with antioxidants. antioxidants. It has those antibiotic properties that you can use internally and externally, as well as it supports respiratory health. So that is a really good one to have on hand all the time. Fifth on our list is sage. This herb has a unique flavor and is great on meats and hearty dishes. Sage also prefers well-draining soil and sunlight. Most herbs, I think if you keep them in a window, they do much better. Sage is also a perennial, so it comes back year after year. My favorite are perennials because, you know, less work is always best work. Sage is also a great anti-inflammatory, and it also helps cognitive, so it's really good for memory and cognitive functions. And finally, the one that we'll discuss today is cilantro. Cilantro, people either love it or they hate it. I love cilantro. I love the way it smells and it tastes. But did you know that some people actually have a chemical reaction in their body to cilantro, and it may taste like soap to them? So if some people say cilantro tastes like soap, they're not kidding. Also, I know for me, because my aunt has that, and I know if I've let cilantro grow way too long, I get a little bit of that. So I like to pick it a little bit earlier when I'm using it. So just a little side note on that. It's a favorite in many different cuisines, especially salsas and salads. Cilantro actually grows best in cooler temperatures, so it's perfect for spring and fall planting. Cilantro is great for detoxifying heavy metals. I know, that's a big thing, is trying to get all the excess heavy metals out of our system. So cilantro is great for that, adding extra cilantro to your diet. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, and K. So now that you know about the top 6 fresh herbs to grow, let's talk about how to use them. Fresh herbs can elevate your meals in so many ways. You can chop them up and sprinkle them over salad. You can sprinkle them over vegetables with oil and roast them. You can mix them into sauces and marinades. I love to make salad dressings with them. You can just mix some healthy oils with some vinaigrette and some fresh herbs, and that makes a really easy salad dressing. Add some fresh citrus to it. The possibilities are just endless. So there you have it, 6 herbs that you can grow at home that will not only enhance your meals, but also provide amazing health benefits. And as you know, that is so important. And just small changes, adding healthy foods to our diet, because I believe we can use food as medicine, and eating well is living well. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel. Liking and sharing, subscribing, that helps get these videos out to other people, and it is passionate to me to share these messages just so that others can add simple, life-changing tips into their lives that they can eat better, live better, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. They don't have to fork out tons of money to live better, and that is what my goal is. So like and share, and that just helps get this message out to others. I appreciate that. Also, let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite herbs? What herbs do you use in your cooking? And have you tried growing any yourself? Happy gardening, everyone, and see you in the next video. Be blessed, and remember, you are loved. Bye.